Hi, Dr. Zachary Ward at Life and Alignment Chiropractic here in Auburn Hills, Michigan. We're looking at patient number 6, a bone spur leading to chronic neck pain. Big question mark on that one. Let's go ahead and take a look. This is a middle-aged female patient with chronic neck pain for 4 years. Finally led her to get an MRI. We're looking at that MRI of her from the side. This is a slice down of her right through the middle. You're seeing a lot of degeneration right here in the middle of the neck, and specifically right here, you might want to pause and kind of zoom in on this, is a bone spur right there on vertebrae 2, 3, 4, the back between 5 and 6. And you know, probably the disc is obliterated, and this is all just collapsing right there. Now, just because someone has a really big bone spur on an MRI doesn't mean that explains all of their pain. So we look at a reconstruction of her neck via CT scan, and what we're going to see here, and this is her right side, and this is her left side, is a large forward displacement of her second cervical vertebrae on her third cervical vertebrae. There's a joint gap right here, and there's a gap here on what we call this uncinate joint. And there's also a little bit of one right there. We're going to look at another view of that. And this is the same neck, this time from the front, the nose is up here, and from behind, here's the back of the skull. And you're looking at this kind of curve and lean of the neck, and there's this huge gap right here on this joint. And there's a lot of stretch of these ligaments in this area, and a lot of stretch of these ligaments over here, and there's so much stress on this joint, in fact, that there's starting to be spreading out and joint degeneration on this side. And what we found was releasing this joint up in here through the process that we use, the chronic neck pain went away. So I'll say that again, 4 years of chronic neck pain that was eventually blamed on a bone spur went away once the neck was properly released. I am Dr. Zachary Ward at Life and Alignment Chiropractic. You can find me at laachiro.com if you have any questions about this case or any other case. We are way over 1 minute now. You can find me at laachiro and contact me via laachiro.com/contact, or call me if you're in the Metro Detroit area at 248-598-4002. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and go back and pause and look at some of those images again. Have a great day.